In this video we will talk about colon cleansing, how colon cleansing takes care of your insides. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Doctors promote cleansing of the colon to promote good health. If the colon is not working right, toxins must leave the body through other avenues. Bad halitosis, body odor can be taken care of with colon cleansing. Doctors say that cleansing the colon cleanses every tissue and cell in the human body. Toxic matter in the colon can cause colon diseases, headaches, fatigue, muscle aches, lupus, and cardiovascular disease. Cleansing the colon can also get rid of unwanted parasites that our bodies might be harboring. These parasites can come from insect bites, rare meat, vegetables not cleaned properly, and pets, and even through sexual activity. In fact, it's more common to pass on parasites than it is to pass on a venereal disease. A toxic colon can lead to food intolerance and becomes a breeding ground for bacteria. Even though you may have regular bowel movements, the waste can pass through the colon and still leave accumulated residue on the walls behind it. A dirty colon can cause the muscles of the colon wall to lose tone, and ballooning or pouches can form, causing diverticulosis. Food is trapped in these pouches and become breeding grounds for bacteria. How do you clean out the colon? There are several different ways, some that will do it quickly and some gradually. There is even colonic irrigation that is very quick and an efficient way to wash away years of impacted feces and toxins. A more gradual process will do the same thing, but you will begin to see improvements within a short time after starting the process. Skin problems disappear, chronic fatigue is alleviated, and the whites of the eyes regain their youthful clearness. The gradual process takes a period of several weeks, with the patient starting out eating raw food as 50% of their diet. By adding 2 teaspoonfuls of Metamucil or Citracel and drinking a lot of water can get you started on your colon cleansing. Water is an important part of the cleansing. Some people believe they shouldn't drink a lot of water because they tend to retain fluids. The opposite is true. The body retains the fluids because it isn't getting enough fluid and tries to hang on to what it gets. The recommendation is to drink 2 quarts of water a day and start the day with at least a pint of hot water before breakfast. Irritable bowel syndrome can be helped with a colon cleansing. I can personally attest to that, as I was required to do a bowel cleansing before having a colonoscopy. I had suffered for years with irritable bowel syndrome. I was terrified to eat at fairs or street festivals, or eat and then get right in a car to travel. After going through 3 days of fasting and laxatives and foul-tasting stuff to drink, I had my test. Nothing was found, but the result was that I felt wonderful and had no irritable bowel attacks for over 3 years after I had my test. I am not saying it was a pleasant experience to go through, as it wasn't the gradual process described above, but it did leave me feeling great and totally rejuvenated. There are supplements available that are designed specifically for colon cleansing. These come in capsule form and are not too expensive. They can be found at any drugstore or natural food store. It's been said that a positive effect of colon cleansing is a positive feeling and becoming extremely energetic. Reducing the toxins and the breeding ground for germs also can result in a dramatic increasing in immunity from any type of infection. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.